When it comes to recovery footwear, Vionic and Oofos are two brands that consistently stand out. Both are highly recommended by podiatrists and athletes alike, and each has a loyal following among people seeking relief from foot pain, joint discomfort, or simply needing a comfortable shoe after a long day. The question of which brand is better for recovery is a common one, as both offer unique benefits in terms of comfort, support, and overall foot health. Today, we'll break down the key differences between Vionic and Oofos to help you determine which is best suited for your recovery needs. Cushioning and comfort. Oofos is renowned for its exceptional cushioning, largely due to its proprietary OOfoam technology. This material is engineered to absorb 37% more impact than traditional footwear foam, making Oofos sandals and slides feel incredibly soft and plush underfoot. Many users describe the sensation as walking on clouds, and this immediate comfort is particularly appreciated after workouts or long periods of standing. The Oofos OA slide, for example, is often highlighted as a top choice for post-exercise recovery because of its gentle, supportive feel and ease of slipping on and off. In contrast, Vionic's approach to comfort is more structured. Their recovery sandals, such as the Vionic Tide RX, feature a molded EVA footbed that is firmer and more supportive. The deep heel cup and tall sidewalls are designed to cradle the foot, offering a sense of stability and alignment. While Vionic's cushioning is substantial, especially in the heel, it tends to be less squishy than Oofos, which some users find requires a short break-in period. Ultimately, Oofos is the better choice for those who prioritize plush, immediate comfort, while Vionic offers a more supportive, structured feel. Arch support and foot health. Both Vionic and Oofos are committed to providing excellent arch support, but their philosophies and technologies differ. Oofos designs its footbeds to promote natural foot movement and reduce stress on the joints, which is particularly beneficial for people dealing with plantar fasciitis or heel pain. The brand's focus on impact absorption and biomechanical engineering has earned it the APMA seal of acceptance, and many physical therapists and podiatrists recommend Oofos for recovery and pain relief. Vionic, on the other hand, is known for its 3-zone comfort system, which incorporates stability in the heel, support in the arch, and cushioning throughout the footbed. Developed by a podiatrist, Vionic's Orthaheel Technology is specifically designed to correct alignment issues and provide long-term foot health benefits. This makes Vionic especially suitable for individuals with flat feet, overpronation, or those who need more corrective support. In summary, Oofos is ideal for immediate relief and reducing joint stress, while Vionic is better for those who require structured arch support and alignment correction. Fit and sizing. Fit and sizing can significantly influence the comfort and effectiveness of recovery footwear. Oofos tends to run narrow, which means that people with wider feet or those who wear half sizes may need to size up for the best fit. The snug fit helps keep the slides securely on the foot, but it can feel tight for some users, particularly at first. In contrast, Vionic generally offers a medium width fit and recommends sizing down for those who wear half sizes. The brand's deep heel cup and sidewalls are designed to hug the foot, providing a secure and supportive fit without feeling overly restrictive. While both brands offer good options for most foot shapes, those with particularly wide feet may find Vionic's fit more accommodating. Durability and maintenance. Durability and ease of maintenance are important considerations, especially for footwear that will be worn frequently. OOfoam sandals are made from closed-cell OOfoam, which not only provides excellent cushioning, but is also machine washable and resistant to moisture. This makes them easy to clean and maintain even after heavy use. However, some users report that the foam can compress over time, especially with daily wear, which may reduce the level of cushioning. Vionic, on the other hand, uses high-quality EVA and rubber in its footbeds and outsoles, resulting in a more structured and durable shoe. The firmer construction tends to hold its shape longer, making Vionic sandals a good choice for those who need reliable support day in and day out. While both brands are easy to clean, Vionic's durability may give it a slight edge for long-term use. Style and versatility. When it comes to style and versatility, Oofos and Vionic take different approaches. Oofos focuses primarily on slides, flip-flops, and clogs with a sporty, minimalist design. These shoes are perfect for post-workout recovery, casual wear at home, or quick errands, but they may not be suitable for more formal or professional settings. Vionic, in contrast, offers a much broader range of styles, including sandals, loafers, walking shoes, boots, and even dress shoes, all featuring their signature orthotic technology. This versatility makes Vionic a better choice for those who want recovery footwear that can transition seamlessly from casual to more dressed-up occasions. Price and value. Both Oofos and Vionic are priced similarly, with most recovery sandals and slides falling in the $60 to $150 range. Oofos offers a 30-day trial period, allowing customers to return the shoes if they are not satisfied, which adds to the brand's value proposition. Vionic's prices are comparable, and while some of their more fashion-forward or specialized styles may cost more, the brand's APMA seal and proven orthotic technology offer significant value for those needing medical-grade support. Ultimately, both brands provide good value for their respective benefits, with the choice coming down to individual needs and preferences. User feedback and expert recommendations. Both brands receive high marks from users and experts, but for different reasons. Oofos is frequently recommended by podiatrists and physical therapists for its immediate comfort, superior impact absorption, and effectiveness in relieving plantar fasciitis and joint pain. Users consistently praise the brand for its walking on clouds feel, though some mention that the fit can be narrow and the foam may lose its bounce over time. Vionic is also highly regarded by foot health professionals, particularly for its structured support and ability to correct alignment issues. Some users note that Vionic's cushioning is firmer and may require a short break-in period, but they appreciate the long-term support and the variety of style options available. Pros and cons. Oofos stands out for its superior impact absorption, immediate plush comfort, and lightweight, machine-washable design. It is widely recommended for recovery and plantar fasciitis, making it a favorite among athletes and those with chronic foot pain. However, the narrow fit may not suit everyone, and the foam can compress with heavy, long-term use. Vionic, on the other hand, offers structured, podiatrist-designed support and a wide variety of styles suitable for different occasions. The shoes are durable, hold their shape well, and are especially beneficial for those with flat feet or overpronation. The main drawbacks are the firmer cushioning, which may require breaking in, and the slightly heavier feel compared to Oofos. So, which is better for recovery? Ultimately, the best recovery footwear depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize maximum cushioning and immediate relief after physical activity, Oofos is likely the better choice. Its OOfoam technology provides unmatched softness and impact absorption, making it ideal for post-workout recovery, plantar fasciitis, and general joint relief. On the other hand, if you need more structured support, alignment correction, or a versatile shoe that can be worn in a variety of settings, Vionic is the superior option. Its podiatrist-designed orthotic technology is perfect for those with flat feet, overpronation, or anyone seeking long-term foot health benefits. Both Oofos and Vionic offer outstanding recovery footwear, but they cater to slightly different needs. Oofos is the go-to for plush, impact-absorbing comfort, and quick relief after workouts or long days on your feet. Vionic is ideal for those who require firm, structured support, alignment correction, and versatile style options that can transition from casual to more formal wear. Your choice should be guided by whether you value soft cushioning above all else, Oofos, or need the corrective support and durability that Vionic provides. For many, trying both brands may be the best way to discover which recovery footwear best supports your lifestyle and foot health.